Time to get an update from the ENCA Money Desk. Devin Morgan with us as always this lunchtime, and not good news at the pumps, Devin.
No, come Tuesday you would likely get an increase. And remember, we had expected a cut not so long ago. And here's why. Let's take a very quick look. The Automobile Association saying fuel prices are set to climb next week in the wake of that mid-month drone attacks, Temekile, you'll remember, on oil refineries in Saudi Arabia. Now, before those attacks, which caused a record surge in the oil price, we actually expected petrol prices to drop by 11 cents. Well, here's a look at the current picture. And remember, these are estimates based on the numbers that the AA is using. We could see a 19 cents increase in 95 octane petrol. No reprieve for diesel as well. That's set to rise by 25 cents. And the users of paraffin, they'll experience a 24 cents rise in the price of that fuel. And you'll be lucky if you're on 93 octane, though. According to the AA, you should be paying 4 cents less a litre. But I thought it's important to very quickly just get a snapshot of what that petrol price is sitting if you include that 19 cents rise. If it happens on Tuesday, more or less, Tuesday evening, you should be paying, Tembekile, 16 Rand 22 cents if that rise is correct for 95 octane petrol. So it gets a bit tougher as we go along.
Net1 previously rolling in the dough, if you will, as far as the distribution of social grants is concerned, not doing so well. Now that's been taken away.
You remember that debacle over the social grants and how this company was in the middle of it. Well, you're quite right. Net1, the company behind Cash Paymaster Services, which used to run South Africa's social grant payment system, now it's been left deep in the red. After losing that contract, CPS stopped dispersing social grants in October last year, the Constitutional Court ordering the government to stop the contract, which had been declared invalid in 2014. Well, the results saying Net1's revenue for the year dropping by 40%, while it suffered an operating loss of over 20 million rand. The company is saying this was primarily due to the expiration of the SASSA contract. The company also incurring over 15 million rand in retrenchment costs during the past quarter, Tembekile.
And the overall picture as we end the week for the markets, any better?
No, I'm afraid not. I mean, the local market is flat at the moment. Let's bring the JSE up and you'll see that global markets are mixed as well, but largely because of an ease in trade tensions between the US and China. So there's no real traction on the local market. That uncertainty is still there, and you can see financials and banks right at the bottom of the screen there in the red, and that's because the rand continues to sit above 15 Rand to the US dollar. In fact, let's take a look to see what the rand is doing against other major currencies. As I said, the US dollar now sitting at 15 Rand 6 cents, 16 Rand 47 for a euro, and for a British pound, Temekile, 18 Rand 52 cents.
Devin Morgan, ENCA Money, thank you.